Welcome to Fit Fuel 365, your ultimate guide to a healthier lifestyle. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools to take control of your health. And today, we're going to delve into a topic that's been creating quite a buzz: fasting. Yes, that's right, the simple age-old practice of consciously choosing not to eat for a certain period. It might seem counterintuitive, but the benefits it can bring are nothing short of amazing. Is it a fad? Is it beneficial? Or is it simply a form of starvation? We'll be busting myths, sharing scientific facts, and guiding you through the different types of fasting. Whether you're a seasoned faster or a curious beginner, there's something for everyone in this comprehensive guide. So sit back, relax, and let's unlock the power of fasting together. Let's get started. Ever wondered why fasting has become a hot topic in the health and wellness sphere? Well, you're not alone. Fasting, a practice as ancient as humanity itself, has recently resurfaced as a leading health trend. But what is fasting, you might ask? At its core, fasting is the process of abstaining from all or certain types of food and drink for a specified period. It's not necessarily about deprivation, but about giving your body a well-deserved break. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. From intermittent fasting to extended fasts, there's a fasting style for every lifestyle. Intriguing, right? You might be wondering how a simple act like not eating can transform your health. Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore, so let's delve deeper into the world of fasting and its transformative effects on health. Fasting isn't just about skipping meals. It's a potent tool for overall health improvement. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, allowing it to take a break from digesting food and instead focus on healing and repairing. When we fast, our bodies shift from using glucose as a primary fuel source to using stored fat. This transition triggers a process called ketosis, which leads to increased fat burning and voila, weight loss. But the benefits don't stop there. Fasting has been linked to enhanced metabolism. When you're not constantly eating, your insulin levels drop and your human growth hormone levels rise. This combination allows your body to burn fat more effectively and promotes muscle gain. Now let's talk about brain power. Fasting boosts the production of a protein called BDNF, which supports the health of your neurons and stimulates the creation of new ones. It's like giving your brain a tune-up, leading to improved memory, sharper focus, and even protection against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. And for the cherry on top, fasting could help you live longer. Studies in animals have shown that periodic fasting increases lifespan, and research in humans suggests it could have similar effects. Intrigued? Let's explore the different types of fasting and see which one might be the best fit for you. From intermittent fasting to the 5-2 method, there's a fasting style for everyone. Let's delve into these popular fasting methods and their unique benefits. First up, intermittent fasting, or IF. This method involves dividing your day into an eating window and a fasting window. The most common variant is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. IF can be a simple and flexible way to reap the benefits of fasting without drastic changes to your diet. Next, we have the 5-2 method, also known as fast diet. Here, you eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict your calorie intake to about a quarter of your regular diet for 2 non-consecutive days. This method can be a bit challenging, but offers an excellent way to gradually introduce fasting into your lifestyle. Then there's the warrior diet, where you fast for 20 hours and eat within a 4-hour window. This method mimics the eating patterns of ancient warriors and can be a good fit for those with high levels of discipline and dietary control. Lastly, there's alternate day fasting. This method involves alternating between 24-hour periods of eating and fasting. It's quite an extreme form of fasting and might not be suitable for beginners. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. Whether you're a seasoned faster or a newbie, there's a method out there that can help you unlock the potential benefits of fasting. Eager to start your fasting journey? Here's how to do it safely. Fasting, when done correctly, can be a powerful tool for transformation. But remember, it's not a race, it's a journey. So let's break it down into manageable steps. Step 1, start slow. If you're new to fasting, try intermittent fasting first. This could mean eating within an 8-hour window and fasting for the remaining 16 hours. Gradually, you can work your way up to more extended periods if it suits you. Step 2. Listen to your body. This is crucial. If you feel unwell, dizzy, or overly fatigued, it might be a sign that you're pushing yourself too hard. So, take a step back, reassess, and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. Step 3. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Even during fasting hours, water is always on the menu. Staying hydrated helps your body function optimally and can also aid in managing hunger pangs. Last but not least, step 4. Consult a healthcare professional. While fasting has many benefits, it's not suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. So before you dive in, it's always wise to seek professional advice. Remember, fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding what works best for you and your body. Fasting isn't for everyone, but with the right approach, it can be a transformative tool for your health. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from those who've transformed their lives through fasting. Let's start with John. A year ago, he was struggling with weight issues and low energy, but after incorporating intermittent fasting into his lifestyle, he has not only lost a significant amount of weight, but also feels more energetic and focused. Next, we have Lisa, a busy mom of 3. She used to feel sluggish and bloated all the time. However, after starting alternate day fasting, she's noticed a significant improvement in her digestion and overall well-being. Then there's Alex, who was looking to enhance his mental clarity and productivity. With the help of the 5-2 fasting method, he's not only achieved his goal, but also improved his metabolic health. These are just a few of the many success stories out there. Their stories are a powerful testament to the benefits of incorporating fasting into your lifestyle. Ready to unlock the power of fasting? We've explored its numerous health benefits, from weight loss to improved brain function. We've broken down popular fasting methods and provided guidance on how to start safely. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on a fasting journey. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and empowered on your wellness journey.